Hey everyone, welcome back. Or if this is your first time here, I'm really happy that you are joining me today. So let me just ask straight away, how many of you are tired of seeing those stubborn dark spots and uneven patches staring back at you in the mirror every morning? Trust me, many have been there, and whether it is from old acne scars, too much sun, or something like melasma, hyperpigmentation can be really frustrating. And it often feels like no matter what you try, the spots just don't fade. But here is the good news, and I really mean it. Nighttime is actually the best time to treat hyperpigmentation. That is when your skin gets into repair mode. While you are resting, your skin is working. And if you give it the right ingredients and a proper routine, you can actually help it do its job better and faster. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a full step-by-step nighttime skincare routine that is all about fading dark spots and bringing back that healthy even glow. We will talk about the right ways to cleanse, which ingredients are most effective, how to hydrate and protect your skin barrier, and of course, the best way to lock it all in before you sleep. It is simple, it is doable, and it works. So grab your water, maybe your skincare bag, and let us go step by step together. Alright, step 1. So honestly, this is a step that so many people either rush through or skip, and that is cleansing. Think about it. Throughout the day, our face collects so much stuff. Sunscreen, makeup, pollution, oil, sweat, it all builds up. And if we don't clean it off properly, none of the serums or the treatment we apply afterwards are going to work well. So what should you do? If you have had makeup on or used a lot of sunscreen, do a double cleanse. First, use an oil-based cleanser or a cleansing balm. Apply it to dry skin, massage it in slowly to break down all the gunk, and then rinse it off. After that, go in with a gentle water-based cleanser to clean the deeper stuffs like sweat, dirt, and anything else. Now we move into the treatment zone. This is the part that actually targets hyperpigmentation. But listen, this is where a lot of people go wrong. They think more products means faster results, but in reality, using too much actives at once can actually irritate your skin and make pigmentation worse. So what should you do instead? Pick one or two hero ingredients and build your routine around those. Let us talk about retinol first. This ingredient is a game changer. It helps your skin renew itself faster, which means those pigmented cells on the surface gets shed more quickly. It also stimulates collagen and even out skin tone over time. If you are just starting out, go for low concentration around 0.3% or 0.5% and use it just 2 or 3 nights a week. A pea-sized amount is all you need. And yes, apply it to your whole face unless your product says it is for spot use only. And if your skin gets little dry or flaky at first, that is completely normal. You may even apply moisturizer first to reduce irritation, especially if your skin is sensitive. Now on the nights when you are not using retinol, try using AHAs, that is alpha hydroxy acids like glycolic acid, lactic acid, or mandelic acid. These are chemical exfoliants that gently remove the top layer of dead skin and help reveal a brighter, smoother layer underneath. Just remember, never use AHAs and retinol on the same night, alternate them. Maybe something like Monday retinol, Tuesday AHAs, Wednesday rest, and you get the idea. Now for stubborn spots, you can look into hydroquinone. This one is strong and effective, but use it very carefully. Only apply it to the dark spots on only at nights. Stick to 2 to 3 months at a time and then take a break. If you want something gentler, you can go for alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, or tranexamic acid. These work slower but are great for long-term use and better suited for sensitive skin. So okay, once your actives are on, your skin might feel a bit thirsty or even slightly irritated, especially if you are just starting out. That is where a hydrating or barrier repair serum comes in. And while this step is technically optional, I always recommend it, especially if you are using stronger treatments like retinol or AHAs. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid. This keeps your skin hydrated and plump. Or niacinamide, which not only hydrates but also calms the skin and helps the pigmentation too. And if your skin feels fragile or sensitive, go for ceramides, peptides, panthenol or centella asiatica. Just press a few drops into your face, no need to rub hard. This step really helps soothe the skin, reduce irritation and make sure your treatment products work without overwhelming your skin barrier. Now comes the final and honestly one of the most important steps, moisturizing. Your moisturizer acts like a seal. It locks in all the active ingredients and hydration you just applied and gives your skin a protective barrier to heal overnight. If you have got dry or sensitive skin, go for rich creams with ceramides, fatty acids or squalane. These ingredients help rebuild your skin barrier and keep moisture in. If your skin is oily or acne prone, choose a lighter gel-based cream, something that hydrates but won't clog your pores. Again, niacinamide and panthenol are excellent choices here. And please don't skip your neck and jawline. These areas are just as prone to pigmentation and need just as much as care. If you are feeling extra dry, you can also try slugging. That is where you apply a thin layer of Vaseline or balm over your moisturizer. It is amazing for sealing in moisture, but if you are acne prone, you might want to skip this step. So now before we wrap up, let me give you 3 quick tips that will make all the difference. First, don't overdo it. Using too many strong products at once won't speed up the process, it will just irritate your skin. Stick to 1 or 2 actives, be consistent and give your skin time. Second, rest nights are must. There are nights where you just cleanse, hydrate and moisturizers, no actives. Let your skin recover and repair. And third, this one is huge. Never skip sunscreen during the day. All the work you are doing at night will go to waste if you don't protect your skin from UV rays the next morning. So even if you are indoors, cloudy day or whatever, always wear sunscreen. Remember, your night routine does the healing and your morning SPF protects that progress. And that's it. Your complete nighttime skincare routine to finally tackle hyperpigmentation and fade those dark spots. It is not about having a fancy 10-step routine. It is about being smart, consistent and kind to your skin. If you have found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hey, share it with friends who is also struggling with pigmentation. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this where we focus on skin science and routines that actually work. Let me know in the comments what have been your biggest struggle with hyperpigmentation. Have you tried any of these ingredients? I did love to hear your journey and help however I can. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I will see you in the next one. Until then, sleep well, stay consistent and stay glowing.